Alexander Sergeyev, I should never have attempted that, Yakovlev, high-powered machine to combat the 190G and the Focke-Wulf 190. What they had was a new engine. Flown by expert pilots, this aircraft was a deadly opponent. The only real difference between this aircraft and it was actually 2mm thick plywood. So everything was done to minimise the weight. Another alteration from the original is that the engine in this aircraft is an Allison engine.
Flick. So they're quite tricky to handle, particularly in the landing configuration at lower speeds. The Yak 3, Lag 7, and the Yak, again, increasing the roll rate by not putting in the armament in the wings. The 20mm cannon and the two 12.7mm machine guns all mounted in the nose. Mount of many famous aces.